Healthy boundaries are something every single homemaker needs. Here are 7 of them you can begin to apply today. Boundary number 1, and I wish I learned this sooner, but you don't have to make yourself do it all in one day. Homemaking is a never-ending task. No matter how much we try, it will never ever end. Every day will come with something new to do. Whether that is laundry, dishes, or anything in between, every day there will be something to do. Guaranteed. So instead of fighting against that, let's accept that it's ongoing work and start spreading the tasks out accordingly. This simple action allows us to stay consistent without burning out or rushing through everything. The next healthy boundary I need every single homemaker to start applying today is putting boundaries around your time. Just because you're home doesn't mean that you're available. Homemaking is real work done from home. Any traditional 9 to 5 outside the home, or even works done inside the home, such as a call center or every other thing like that, there are certain expectations, and just because somebody can physically see you doesn't mean that they get to pull you away from the tasks that you are doing. However, of course, there may be some exceptions, such as emergencies or every other thing, but generally and ideally, let's not allow ourselves to be pulled and pushed to every single distraction, including our own. That means no doom scrolling on the clock. Protecting our time helps keep it purposeful instead of being frittered away. So the third boundary is a little bit similar, but it's to basically put some structure around your time. You set the pace of your home. Your rhythms should realistically reflect your values and capacity. Not outside pressure, not social media, nothing like that. A steady pace, your pace, creates peace and sustainability. This is something we're going to get to do for the long haul, God willing. So be sure that you go at your own pace and for your own season in life. Healthy boundary number 4 is that not every task deserves immediate attention. Urgency isn't the same as important. Some things may be more urgent than other. We need to keep track of the things that we need to be doing consistently so that everything doesn't turn into an emergency. Holding this boundary also helps us to see what to prioritize and what to put away for a later time or season, helps us to stay focused on what truly matters, and causes our homemaking to be more intentional and less chaotic. The next boundary is finish what you're doing before starting something new. This one is a total game changer, because if we begin to now do other things just because the clock says it's time to do something, or just we need to move on, and I get it, but before you do, make sure you close the loop. Otherwise, we'd have a bunch of unfinished messes around our homes, and not to mention all those open tabs in our brains. Closing one task before moving on to the next one helps to protect mental clarity and helps to prevent overwhelm as well. Fewer open loops means a much calmer mind and a more manageable home. The next healthy boundary to have is knowing that homemaking is important, but it's not our identity. We are more valuable than what we accomplished at home. This boundary allows us to lead with confidence instead of pressure. Don't get me wrong, what we're doing is super duper important. However, we are more than homemakers. We are also daughters of the Most High God. We are moms, we are wives, we are women. Let's not forget that we are ourselves too. We are not just what we do, and we're allowed to celebrate that. The next, and arguably the most important healthy boundary to hold, is that rest doesn't hinder the work we're doing, it helps to support it. Oh my goodness, and I'm talking to myself here too. Rest is not laziness. It actually helps productivity. When rest has a place in our rhythm, consistency becomes possible. And not to mention, homemaking gets easier when we honor our bodies and take moments of rest. Not just when we're feeling overwhelmed and ready to burn out, but daily, so that we can keep those things away. Not to mention, I've done it both ways. Believe me, I always have to negotiate with myself to rest. And I noticed that when I allow myself to rest, my work actually becomes of better quality versus when I just push through and don't. Healthy boundaries don't limit us or make us weak or anything like that. They help to sustain us and get further along in our homemaking. But if you want even more simple homemaking tips, then check out this video here, and I'll meet you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.